John Ilimboy from San Bartolome High School, and today I am excited to share you my insight gathered from my interview with my immediate supervisor, Ma'am Alalisa Dumalaon. So we explored various aspects of leadership, comparing her perspective with those of leadership expert Daniel Goleman. Join me as we delve into key lessons and reflections on empathy, leadership choice, and preparation, and the distinct role of the leaders in educational versus in corporate settings. Let's dive in.
Yes.
What is the greatest lesson you have gained in your leadership role?
Maybe become wise and at the same time just consider empathy. How to really struggle. When you have empathy, you can you're building encouraging building a considerate team. At the same time, you are boosting their
I like your answer, ma'am. Very inspiring. Are you by choice or by accident or pressure?
We are by choice.
You choose to be a leader.
Yes. Everything that you have experienced how to impart it to your team. And maybe something else to inspire
It means that no one takes you to be like that. It's your personal choice to become a leader.
It's not just me.
It's natural habit for you. You just become the leader. Okay. As a teacher, how do you prepare yourself as a leader? How do you prepare your leadership role in a classroom or even here in our department?
When I was in studying, the very important to impart or your members was important efficient rules that consider their also their concerns. It's not about all part of the policies, but also we have to acknowledge their concerns.
So, hindi sabihin na kailangan connected din yung mga policy na implement mo sa kung ano yung pangailangan as a student. So, given a chance, would you still choose to become a leader?
Yes.
Why not? What are the difference between a school or educational leader and a corporate leader? Ano ang difference ng pagiging leader sa isang school and a leader in a corporate world?
In school, you are building people who will handle the country itself. You are molding them to be the next the next mukha ng Pilipinas. While the corporate, they are concerned about building the structures inside the company or inside the
Kasi yung mapi ko ngayon sa
that country. Kaya mas concerned sila sa profits. Yes.
Siyempre nagsasalita naman sa niya na
Wala naman sa food. Mas concerned sila kung ano yung magiging character sa students.
Like molding character, producing right thing. Is that what you
Ever since.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
labis
Yun, sorry.
the first meeting.
Thank you.